Hey yo YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Wavy, and today your boy just got something in the mail. Today, but not today, your boy just won Wolffpack March Waiver of the Month. But today, right now, your boy is running for April Wave King. So slide over to Wave page and vote for me. Comment on my pictures and see what y'all think about my tips, and hit that subscribe button. Before I get into this unboxing video, I want to give a couple shout outs to Howlin' Wolf and the Wolffpack Wave group. And if y'all are not on that Wave page, get there now. I will have the links down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get into the unboxing video. And as you can see, enjoy soapworks.com. Once again, shout out to Howlin' Wolf on Wolffpack Wave group. Now let's open this bad boy. Oh man, this nothing but a waiver's heaven right here, man. Just look at this. Just look at this. First off, we have Wolffpack Lavender Soap Bar for the hair. Then we have the Diane Hard Brush. I'm not able to use this right now because I'm woofing. Because I'm not woofing. You get it, not woofing. I'm not able to use this right now because I'm not woofing. Then we have the Wave Lotion. I'ma definitely try that out. Then we have 100% African Lavender Bar. I will be trying that out as well. And then we have the business cards. This is what makes the box legit. You know it's coming from another waiver. Y'all see the waves. And then we have Mink Silk Wave Lotion. Then last but not least, a t-shirt. But yeah, that was the unboxing video. Like, comment, subscribe, and go slide over the Wave Builder and vote for your boy. Peace.